Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a what we call Scandinavian oval, but this one is an ISI from Denmark, and you see the shape, you see that sort of key with that sort of bitting. Do you not think of Rukos and, oh, this is going to take a long time to pick? I don't actually know how long it's going to take me to pick, but with a bitting like that, and if we think about how difficult Rukos can be, yeah, it could take me a few minutes to pick. If it takes me over 5 minutes, it's definitely on that Ruko sphere, isn't it? But no, I guess the only thing we can do is throw it in a vise and see if this 6-pinner, looks like it's 7 pins, it's only 6. This 6-pinner is any good or not. I'm quietly hopeful, I guess, that it's going to put up a bit of a fight. We'll see. Anyway, stick it in a vise and we'll get on. Okay, we're very, very tightly in the vise. This is one slippy lock. Very tightly in the vise. And yeah, there is the key. Really lovely bitting on this one. Very high 1 and 4 medium cuts in 2, 3 and 5, and then a deep, probably 0 lift in position 6 there. So let's start with a medium hook. Let's see where we get to first off. Back and forth, nothing on 6, a little bit on 5, not feeling anything on 4, or 3, or 2, maybe 1, little click on 5, 3, 2, 1 maybe, okay. I'm not convinced that we're getting anywhere, maybe 4 maybe? Okay, let's try then with getting onto pin 4. A little click there, that was good, that was good. Get out. Okay, I'll leave that there. Let's try my gem again. A little click on 1, that's good. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Oh, maybe a little click on 5. Back to 1, because it feels like it needs to be set even higher. I think that's it there, okay, good. Let's go back through now. There we go, just making sure that everything can be set is, and if it isn't, then I think it means that we haven't quite set pin 4. Or pin 1 maybe, let's try and get on pin, oh there we go, pin 1, and we're open, look at that. So, not too bad, only a couple of minutes to pick that one. Bit of a run around on it. I'd love to see what's inside this one actually, because it looks like a high security Scandinavian oval. But until we have a look, we don't really know. Anyway, let's lock that back up. We've got the key, and I do have is like Torx with a bit of Loctite on there as well, it looks like. Now I've got the follower for Scandinavian things, but that's too thick, so let's try using the key and a shim. I think I've got one of those about as well. There we go. Making sure that's all aligned, and push this through like that and hope for the best, so we don't get caught up on anything weird. Okay, so looks like it's been lubricated with graphite. 1, 2, 3, oh, and 4, I think. Yeah, because that's a really short one. 5 and 6. All right. I was expecting maybe a torpedo pin or something in there. These all appear to be anti-drill steel, which is good, I guess. Pins, but not brilliant for what we're looking for. Okay. It appears to be some undercutting on the chambers, which is nice. So I'm expecting some gins or Christmas trees or something like that. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, so not quite, but these are very sharp lipped sort of barrel pins there with that spooling to catch on those. Let's take that shim out, so in the way. Catch on those undercuts. And the springs are probably going to come out as well. Ooh. It's still got that, even though it's really small, that really sharp lip. Makes it act a bit like a serration and a spool at the same time. Same with this one. Interesting springs. Same with this one. So they're all this kind of like sharp lipped barrel type spool to interact with that undercutting. Oh, even the really small one does. That's cute. Get these springs out. Come here, you. Last one. No, that's it, isn't it? Yep, all good. Right, let's move this lock body over here. So we had a look at the sort of undercutting, that lip. Can you see just here underneath? It's got a small lip. I don't really tell that it's just catching the tip of the pick there. It's not massively pronounced, but there is a little lip there. You can probably see it. It could be more pronounced, I'll be honest. And here are all of those pins, and you can see that sharp little lip here. You see that little sharp lip on each of these sort of barrel spools. If I grab the big one, hopefully we can see that interaction. If I hold it in my tweezers and pretend it's in there, so as it's turning, it catches here on that lip. Now, it's not dragging very much, it's quite subtle. Oh, I've lost that pin. So I think that it's not undercut enough. It's not like some of the ones that I've played around with, but you know, it's okay. It's a little better than average, but not really that high security. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed me picking this ISI Scandinavian oval. Is it Scandinavian? Nah, it's all right. It looks like even looks like it's got like a place for a sidebar. So maybe they use this on a sidebar lock as well. But this one doesn't have it. Maybe they use that on like an ASA twin copy. That would make sense, right? To have a little sidebar cut there. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, leave a like. If you've got a comment about this lock or know if it comes in different variants, please put one below. I'll read all the comments, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps my channel out. And I'll see you all next time.